We're going to look at two different ways to do long division. They're both the same, they're just visually different. They're called partial quotients. I'm going to do an example here. Let's go 6 divided into, let's say 375. Okay, and this focuses on place value. I'm going to sit back and say, there are a lot of 6s. Let's say I've got, if I look at this, and I'm just sort of guessing checking, 5 times 6 is 30, so 50 times 6 is 300. Now, how many 6s go into 75? I'm not sure, but at least 10. How many 6s go into 15? 2, I think. So then I add these up, and I'm going to get 60, 62, remainder 3, or 62 and 3/6. Notice it looks a lot like long division. We're simply doing these in batches. But notice I didn't put a 5 up here, I put a 50 up here, focusing on the place value. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but it's going to visually look different. Let's go 5 into, say, 422. I'm going to draw a line out here. Okay, same basic idea. How many times does 5 go into? Let's see, 5 times 100 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 times 50 would be 250. And I put the 50 over here. So 5 times 50 is 250. I'm going to subtract 2. I'm going to subtract your way as opposed to my way. 3, borrow the 1. 5 is 7. 172. 5 into 172. Well, okay. 10 times 5 is 50. I can easily do more than that. So let's go with 20 times. 72. 5 into 72. Now we're getting numbers I can handle a little better. 5 times 10 is 50. Let's go 5 times 12. That's 60. Subtract again. 12. It goes in there 2 times. That's 10. And I get a remainder of 2. So the total is 4 over here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get 84, remainder 2. This second approach sometimes confuses kids because of what's down here at the bottom. This approach works a little better because the numbers are separated. Again, different approach to long division handles mistakes better because I don't have to match it perfectly. But it focuses on the place value and not just on, oh, how many times does 6 go into 30? Because what you're really looking at is 6 into 375 and is doing it as pieces. Hope that helps.